Hello, this is a second video in which I am going to show you that how you can fix the OBS black screen issue. As I already created a one video in which I showed you that you have to disable the NVIDIA graphic card. So in this you can do it without that. You have to open the NVIDIA control panel, then there go to the manage 3D settings and click on program settings. There it will take some time to load up the application, as OBS is already open in the back, so it will automatically pick the application. Then select the integrated graphics from the options and then click on apply, and once you do that, it is done. Right now it will open the OBS always using the integrated graphics. As you can see on the back, the display screen is here, whereas I choose the global settings to be auto select. I hope it resolved your problem. Give it a like if you like this video. Subscribe to show your love. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.